Hi, this is Mary from Reviewer's Diary, and here I am with my cast on. I may not be making a long video because my foot starts to hurt the more it is down. I didn't expect this surgery to be more painful than the last one, but it is, unfortunately. So, while I was busy getting operated on and everything, I got a couple of boxes. I did get the Walmart and Test Tube Beauty just before my surgery, and I put them in a box on the side of my desk. So in the interim, I also got Test Tube Beauty, the absolute last one, because they actually went to charge me for the full year again. And excuse the room, it is a mess, and part of getting things straightened up is to get these unboxings done. So I am going to do the Walmart beauty box first, I think. Yeah, this is winter, January for the test tube, and winter for Walmart beauty box, and March for test tube, and spring for Walmart beauty box. So I'll be doing this one first. First, I have to tell you my saga and why there's a laptop sitting here with a giant memory drive. About a week before my camera, about a week before my laptop ceased functioning, I thought to myself, oh, I should really back that up. Did I? No. I've backed it up a number of times, but the last time I backed it up was probably about a year ago. My novel is on there. Pictures of the family are on there. Pictures of the puppy when he first came home are on there. And, you know, I guess it's about 2 years since I backed it up. So now I have to take this Lenovo. I have another Lenovo, thank God. But this is the one that is my workhorse that I love. It's a little bit smaller than my old workhorse, and lighter, and it has a touch screen. I just love it, and it's dead. It came up with a blue screen that had a sideways smiley face that said, "We need to update your computer," and then it shut off on me, and I have never been able to get it to go back on. I've tried all kinds of hints and tricks from YouTube people, and nothing works. It doesn't detect that there's a hard drive in there anymore. So I have to take it to there's a place, I think it's a national company, You Break, I Fix. I think they are an authorized repair shop for Lenovo, and at the very least, I need them to rescue my files off of there. I have actually a novel and a half written, and I have all my family pictures on it. I can't tell you how horrible this experience has been. And of course, because of this, I can't get it to the shop to get it repaired. So it's just going to sit here until I can walk, and I don't know when that's going to be. So anyway, I just wanted to let you know why there's a computer sitting on the table. This is just magazines and mail. I just turned it upside down so you couldn't see my address. This is a thing that I keep my nail stuff in. It's got, you can see the decals from Dashing Diva, but underneath that there's a nail clipper and, you know, files and stuff, and a couple other sets of Dashing Diva stuff. This is a book that I got from the Book Warehouse. This is on sale currently on Amazon right now, and this is a Canadian copy. I didn't notice that until now. So anyway, yeah, he's on CNN, and yeah, I'll leave my politics out of this. So also, this is the older Lenovo. It's got a big screen, which I thought I wanted, and it's very heavy, and it doesn't have any updates on it, so I'm not happy. So I'm going to start first. You'll have to deal with the mess I'm going to start first by unboxing the Walmart beauty box, and then we'll go on to beauty test tube. I was going to wait until things got cleaned up a little bit and I felt better and had some makeup on, but that's not going to happen for a while, and you guys have been waiting long enough for a video. So this is the spring box and this is the winter box. I remember thinking the winter box was totally awesome, so let's see what's in here. It comes with a card with all the things that you could have gotten. And yeah, I was really happy when I opened this. Okay, so there's a nail polish. I like the color. It's really good for winter, but I recently have seen a lot of people wearing a color like this, and it looks really nice. Then there is a sample size of Milani. What is this? So I never dreamed that a company with as low price as this would have sample sizes. But yep, this is Milani sample size mascara, which I can really start using right away. Blow dry cream. It says dark and lovely. I don't know if it's for dark hair, which I don't have, so I'll have to do a little bit of research on that. Gold Bond. I'm always happy to get a Gold Bond thing. This is, you know, I think that Dr. Dre just had this on one of her videos, but anyway, it's moisturizer with vitamins. Speaking of which, this is Hydration Multiplier Strawberry Flavored Non-GMO Electrolyte Drink Mix. Huh. Might be good when, you know, you're sick. This is, it looks like an eyebrow thing. Archival Brow Pencil. And this is still sealed. I'm going to leave it sealed because I am currently doing declutters, and this might be one that I might want to declutter. So yeah, it is in the color brown, which would be okay for me, but not if it's a dark brown. And then there is a palette. I could not believe they included a palette in this box. I'm going to leave the plastic on it because I don't want the dog to like get his nose and slobber all over it. But anyway, there's a, it looks like a pigment. No, get your nose out of there. Speaking of which, it's a pigment and eyeshadow. And I might actually declutter this. It's for holiday 2021, so it was released on, you know, in December 2021. So it's not an old palette. Oops, sorry, I'm not holding it right. It's not an old palette. It's just, and this dog is driving me crazy. Anybody with a 2-year-old, almost 2-year-old shepherd out there, freaking lunatic he is. He needs a job. So anyway, this is, I have colors like this. Even though I was really excited to get it, I do have colors like this. And finally, the last thing in here is Hydrating Mist Toner by Sukiri. And I believe that this came in full size in one of the test tubes. Yeah. Chamomile and rose, paraben and alcohol free. It's a nice little tester size or travel size. It looks to be about an ounce. And well, let's see. I'll give you exacts. It's 1.69 ounces, 50 ml. So it's a pretty good size, but it's small enough to go on an airplane, which I don't plan to ever go on again. So yeah, I don't plan to fly ever. So anyway, this looks like really nice. So this box was so fabulous that the next box for spring was a total letdown. So let's see. This is all the different things that you could have gotten, and it has the prices for the full size and so on and so forth in there. So everybody gets that, and you don't get everything on your list, although it certainly looks like I did, so I don't know if there's a mistake or what. So anyway, this one for the first time is labeled. They don't usually label these. Where's that label? Oh, there it is. And they don't usually label these. This is Beauty Box for Spring 2022, and it's version number 9. I've seen one thing about Walmart Beauty Box unboxings is they're always different. So, you know, it's kind of like Ipsy, where you could watch endless Beauty Box videos and see what everybody got. And it's usually different. So this again has that card with things you could have gotten. And I noticed they left out a couple things they already gave me. And there's tissue again. Oh yeah, and here's more of that hydration. Non-GMO golden cherry, different flavor. I'm going to pull out the full-size item first. Stay there. And it is a NYX mascara. And it's a volume lift mascara. So I'm always looking for a less expensive mascara to take over for my soon-to-be finished Thrive one, because I'm just not willing to spend $20 on mascara. So I might eventually, but not now. So anyway, that's the full-size item. The rest of it is all sample and travel size. Okay, that's getting on my nerves a little bit. Okay, so this is a lip thing in a color that is very pretty. What brand are you? Maybelline. So this will go into a trade or you know, a box, because I won't wear Maybelline, not until they become cruelty free like everybody else is working on. So then there's this again, which is a hydration multiplier, cellular transport technology. BS. As a nurse, I know once it hits your stomach, everything changes. Then there is a card with Revitalift hyaluronic acid. I could just throw that in the giveaway, or I am actually creating a box for this company. I'm like so bananas. It took me a minute to remember. A box for Project Beauty Share. So, you know, a lot of things I declutter will go there after my daughter looks at them and decides whether she wants them or not. And then in here there are 2 things. Let's take these out. Oh yeah, and there's also Cerave Daily Moisturizing Lotion. I will use this with joy, but I won't buy it anymore because they're no longer cruelty-free. Who knows what's happening in the world? Who knows? A lot of these companies are going to probably have to pull out of China, because if China decides to be murderers of Ukrainian people as well, like Putin wants them to be, then we won't be trading with China anymore. So anyway, this is Under the Starlit Sky hand sanitizer. This is a really handy thing to have in your bag. You know, you go to the supermarket, you touch things, and before you know it, you've transmitted some kind of either cold virus or flu virus or some other garbage into your system. So it's always good to have that. And this, let's see, what is this? Oh, this is a leave-in conditioner. I can't use it till I can get upstairs and shampoo. I love leave-in conditioners because they help me get a comb through this wild hair of mine. Anyway, it's 2 ounces. It's Shea Coconut Shea leave-in by Eden, like Garden of Eden. And yeah, that I think is going to be really nice to use. So it's not a horrible box, but it's not a great box. It's not as good as the last box. They really blew me away with that one. But I guess you can't always get the best box on earth. This is a good box, but not a great box. So anyway, let me know what you got in your box if you get this. It's only $7 a month, a season rather, and it's well worth the $7. It really is. So I hear my little guy barking outside. I gotta let him in. So anyway, I am going to also produce another short video about my test tube beauty extravaganza. Anyway, thanks and have a beautiful, beautiful evening. Good night.